Kawasaki Versys X 300 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The realm of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and a unique bond between rider and machine. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating world, the choice of their first motorcycle is a decision that sets the tone for their journey. The Kawasaki Versys X 300, with its blend of accessible versatility, practical design, and adventure-oriented features, stands as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, adaptable nature, and rider-focused elements, the Versys X 300 offers a gateway for beginners to embrace the world of adventure riding and set forth on a journey of exploration and discovery. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Versys X 300 lies a refined 296cc parallel twin engine that offers a harmonious balance between power and approachability. This engine delivers a performance that is both responsive and manageable, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of adventure riding without being overwhelmed. Adventure ergonomics and rider comfort. The Versys X 300 is designed with adventure ergonomics in mind, offering a comfortable and upright riding position that enhances visibility and control. The tall seat height, wide handlebars, and relaxed stance contribute to a comfortable and confidence-inspiring riding experience for novices. Adventure-ready design and practical aesthetics. The Versys X 300 showcases an adventure-ready design with a touch of practicality. Its robust lines, versatile form, and purposeful styling elements reflect the motorcycle's capability for both on-road and off-road exploration. Novice riders not only experience the joy of riding but also embrace the spirit of adventure that defines the motorcycle. Agile handling and versatile maneuverability. The Kawasaki Versys X 300 offers agile handling and versatile maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders seeking both city commuting and off-road escapades. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics enable riders to confidently navigate diverse terrain. Safety features and exploration confidence. Safety remains paramount, especially for beginner adventurers. The Kawasaki Versys X 300 is often equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These features instill confidence in novices as they explore various road conditions. Urban and off-road adventure experience. The Versys X 300's adaptability shines in both urban environments and off-road adventures. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city streets and venturing onto unpaved paths, all while enjoying the versatility that the motorcycle offers. Community and adventurer connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand create a community that warmly welcomes beginners to the world of adventure riding. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for exploration and discovery. Skill growth and adventure mastery. The Kawasaki Versys X 300 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence in diverse riding scenarios. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully immersing themselves in the adventure riding experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Kawasaki Versys X 300 isn't just a starting point, it's a lifelong companion for the adventurous journey ahead. Its adaptable performance, practical design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Versys X 300 as they evolve from novice adventurers to seasoned explorers. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Versys X 300 stands as a testament to Kawasaki's dedication to delivering an accessible and versatile adventure riding experience for beginners. With its balanced performance, adaptable design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the Versys X 300 provides an immersive introduction to the world of adventure motorcycling. By choosing a Kawasaki Versys X 300, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for exploring uncharted territories and embracing the thrill of adventure on two wheels.